Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be installing a secret app store for your Firestick. To do this, it's not available in the Amazon Firestick store, so we'll have to sideload it. So you will need the downloader application. If you do not have this, all you have to do is go to Find, drop down to Search, type in downloader, which is now appeared in the list, and install this application. Once installed, I go back to home. You need to go to settings, drop down to My Fire TV and select developer options. If you cannot see developer options, you will have to go to about, click on this, and then press the button, say 5 or 6 times. And then as you can see, it appears at the bottom. You will see the message, you are now the developer. So once you see that and once you have the option or the developer, we can then ensure that ADB debugging is on, going to install unknown apps and just ensure that this is switched on for downloader. Once you have downloader installed, we can open it up by going to our apps, double clicking so that we can enter the code door, which is 60903. Click on this to start the download. Click install and click done, and we can delete the files as they are no longer required. Okay, so the final step will be to go to settings again, My Fire TV, developer options, install from unknown apps, and toggle this to on, and then you are ready to use the application. You will require to add a library. I will put on the screen at some point a library to get you started, but to find any additional libraries, you will just have to search for them online. There should be a number of them available, and then you can enjoy a wide range of entertainment, including movies, live TV, music, utilities, and much, much more. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If this has helped you out, please drop a like, a comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Cheers.